Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we have these yummy roasted potatoes. These are very tasty and I just want to share the recipe with you guys. So if you are ready, then let's get started. So to get started, guys, we are going to use the honey gold potatoes, and basically over here I already cut them, and we're going to go ahead and start seasoning. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then next we are going to mix everything together. Now that our potatoes are mixed, we are going to go ahead and add some seasoning. So I'm adding some Lipton seasoning. This is Lipton onion soup. So over here, guys, I am using a half tablespoon. I could not find a whole teaspoon, so I just used the whole pack because nothing was left in there. So we want to continue mixing everything. So next we are going to go ahead and add some garlic powder, roasted brown butter seasoning, black pepper, Italian seasoning, as well as chipotle seasoning. So after that, we continue mixing. Guys, over here I went ahead and baked these potatoes at 350 Fahrenheit for about an hour or until fork tender. So this is how they look like, and I'm adding some chives just for garnish. So guys, we have reached the end, and this is how the potatoes look like. So these potatoes were served with beef brisket and it was really delicious. I just want to say thank you for those who are watching and subscribing. If you are watching without subscribing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button so you can support me on this channel. So I'll definitely see you next time when I make something new. Bye.